Hi student, welcome to Aman classes. 10th standard linear equation in two variables. First question, two numbers differ by 3. The sum of the greater number and twice the smaller number is 15. Find the numbers. Let the greater number be x and the smaller number be y. From the first condition, x minus y is equal to 3. Twice the smaller number means 2y. From second condition, x plus 2y is equal to 15. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, x minus y is equal to 3, x plus 2y is equal to 15. सब्ट्रैक्शन में हम सेकंड इक्वेशन के साइन चेंज करते हैं, इसलिए -3y इज इक्वल टू -12. Therefore y is equal to 4. Put y is equal to 4 in equation 1. X minus y is equal to 3. X minus into bracket 4 is equal to 3. X minus 4 is equal to 3. X is equal to 7. The required number is 4 and 7. Second example, the coordinate of the point of intersection of the lines ax plus by is equal to 9 and bx plus ay is equal to 5 are in bracket 3 and -1. Find the value of a and b. Here ax plus by is equal to 9, first equation, bx plus ay is equal to 5, second equation. Substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -1 in equation 1 and 2. 3a minus b is equal to 9, equation 3. 3b minus a is equal to 5, equation 4. Multiply equation 3 by 3. 9a minus 3b is equal to 27, minus 3b plus 9a is equal to 27. Add equation 4 and 5. 3b minus a is equal to 5. 3b plus 9a is equal to 27. 8a is equal to 32. Therefore, a is equal to 4. Put a is equal to 4 in equation 4. 3b minus 4 is equal to 5. 3b is equal to 5 plus 4. 3b is equal to 9. b is equal to 3. The value of a and b are 4 and 3. Third example, the sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing its digits is 143. Find the number obtained if the unit place digit is greater than the tens place digit by 3. Let the tens place be x and unit place be y. Then the number formed is 10 into x plus y is equal to 10x plus y. The number obtained by 10y plus x. Reversing the digit, 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 143. 11x plus 11y is equal to 143. Divide both sides by 11. X plus y is equal to 13. From the second condition, y is greater than x by 3. Y is equal to x plus 3. X plus 3 is equal to y. X minus y is equal to minus 3. Equation second. Adding equation 1 and 2, x plus y is equal to 13. X minus y is equal to minus 3. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 upon 2. X is equal to 5. Put x is equal to 5 in equation 1. 5 plus y is equal to 13. Y is equal to 13 minus 5. Y is equal to 8. The number is 10x plus y is equal to 10 into 5 plus 8 means 58. The number is 58. Example 4. The sum of the father age and twice the age of his son is 70 years. If we double the age of father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95 years. Find their present age. Let the father present age be x year and the son present age be y years. From first condition, x plus 2y is equal to 70, equation 1. Double the age of father is equal to 2x year. From the second condition, 2x plus y is equal to 95. Equation 2. From equation first, x is equal to 70 minus 2y. Put equation 3 in equation 2. 2 into bracket 70 minus 2y plus y is equal to 95. 140 minus 4y plus y is equal to 95, minus 3y is equal to 95 minus 140, minus 3y is equal to minus 45. Therefore, minus cancel, y is equal to 45 upon 3. Y is equal to 15. Put y is equal to 15 in equation 3. X is equal to 70 minus 2 into 15. X is equal to 70 minus 30. Therefore, x is equal to 40. The father age be 40 years and son age be 15 years. Example 5. The ratio of the present age of mother and her son is 9:2. After 12 years, the ratio of their ages will be 12:5. Find their present age. Let the present age of mother be x and son be y. From the first condition, x as to y is equal to 9 as to 2, x upon y is equal to 9 upon 2, therefore 2x is equal to 9y. 2x minus 9y is equal to 0. After 12 years, mother age will be x plus 12 years and her son age will be y plus 12 years. From the second condition, x plus 12 upon y plus 12 is equal to 12 upon 5. Here cross multiplication 5 into bracket x plus 12 bracket complete is equal to 12 into bracket y plus 12. 5x minus 12y is equal to 144 minus 60. 5x minus 12y is equal to 84. Multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2. 10x minus 45y is equal to 0. 10x minus 24y is equal to 168. Subtracting equation 3 from 4. 10x minus 24y is equal to 168. 10x minus 40y 5y is equal to 0. 21y is equal to 168. Therefore, y is equal to 8. Put y is equal to 8 in equation 1. 2x minus 9y is equal to 0. 2x minus 9 into 8 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 72. X is equal to 72 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 36. The mother age be 36 years and son age be 8 years. Please like, share and subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe. आगे के क्वेश्चन अगले पार्ट में आएंगे.